When you moved to IIM Indore, you were surrounded by such high achievers peer group. How exactly it has impacted you?
कि you are average of the 5 people you hang out. So it's very necessary to choose those 5 people good in your life.
Wisely.
First term का result आया, I am rank 51. Why am I mediocre here? Opportunity है कि I can improve myself. Rank 51 से term 9 में rank 1 पहुंचा हूँ मैं.
What was the point where you decided कि I want to try, I want to give it a shot?
You are not getting that kick कि ये नहीं है मेरे लिए बना. I would say still give it a try.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And I am Sanika Made, your friend, your mentor, and your guide, welcoming everyone to this particular podcast. Now, what is special about the podcast? Okay, if you have been very frequent on our channel, you must have been very clearly aware of the fact that we make sure that we guide you in the right direction. Okay, our aim is to ensure that you get right information, right direction in terms of the programs, the entrance exam, and we want to ensure that all our parents specifically are getting the knowledge, because that's what is power, okay, where you know that you are in the right direction. Today's podcast, I have someone whom I have been mapping journey. Now you would see a series of podcasts because a lot of IIMs which started with their IPM this year, this is the 5th year. That means they have first batch graduating. And what I did is, to make sure you get what is happening there, I got hold of a lot of graduates, and now I would be getting each and every one of them to speak and to spill the beans. Now, I have someone who has been a part of IMS for almost now 6 years. He's been mentoring students, but with that simultaneously, he has also did something which you all are dreaming of. Cracking IPMAT Indore, being a part of IIM Indore IPM program, and now he's sitting with me and speaking to me. Krish Shah, welcome to my podcast.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm really happy to be here. And yeah, as you said that you have been mapping me since 5 years, and today we are here to give the participants it all. I'll try my best to guide them through this video as well.
Perfect. And I'm sure if you know this face, you would also know that this particular face has been on our channel. Krish has been mentoring IMS students, telling them what would be the right direction. And today we will know how the journey for Krish looked like in IIM Indore. And somewhere in the podcast, my idea is to just give you an understanding if you are questioning IPM, if it's really worth it. I think by the end of the podcast, you would know if it's worth it. Because as we keep on saying, okay, that IIM Indore से IPM किया, तो बुरा क्या होगा? सबसे बुरा यही होगा कि तुमने IIM Indore से MBA किया है. And that's, I think, itna bura bhi nahi hoga. But let me start my conversation with Krish. So all the students and parents and my audience who's listening to the podcast, who would want to know who is Krish, जिन्होंने video देखा नहीं होगा Krish का, कभी mentoring sessions Krish भैया के साथ लिए नहीं होंगे, because that's what our students call him. Let's first start with his introduction.
So yeah, I was born and brought up in Mumbai. Did my schooling at Ryan International School, Malad ICSE. After that, I went to take at the commerce route. Science commerce में से science नहीं था इतना, तो I took the commerce route and I went to Narsi Monchi College of Commerce and Economics, NM College. वहाँ पे 2 साल किया, met a couple of friends there, and that's when I realized कि अब थोड़ा management side, I can go ahead with the management side. So that's where the IPM route I have taken.
Okay.
How I was as a student, I would say that I was a very studious student up until 8th, 9th. बहुत पढ़ाकू था. But soon
when we say no, I want to know. I'm sorry to interrupt you there, but when you say तुम पढ़ाकू था, तो ये पढ़ाकू मतलब क्या होता है पढ़ाकू? जो बच्चा जो like 90-95 plus लेके आता है.
It's not just about percentage. Percentage तो आते हैं, but PT period में एक book थी, वो book मैं pocket में लेके जाता था नीचे. So that kind of studious I was. But in 8th 9th I realized कि this is not going to be a long term thing.
Okay.
There are more things to it. World experience भी matter करेगा. So that's when I thought कि we will also start doing other things. And that is where you kind of make a personality out of yourself. It's not just about studiousness. It's also about how to behave in a society. So interacting with people, participating in events, that's where I started the entire thing. तो अगर अब तक कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ पढ़ रहे हैं तो that's good in a way कि आप disciplined हो, आप अपने goals को लेके serious हो, but you should also explore the other side of it and get out in the world, try some new things out. So I was that student who was studious. I was that student who tried new things, and I am now a mix of both, I would say.
So tell me something. So you are now a mix of both. You are studious as well, but you now are aware of what is happening around. You are good with your communication as well, which is very much reflecting when you speak to students. Okay, but my question to you is that NM college में गए, but when you were in NM college, okay, you were back in what
19.
2019. See, Krish, 2019 mein IPM was not that, it was not visible. People were not even aware of something ki integrated program in management, IIM, directly after 12th students have that opportunity. How in the world you decided of doing an IPM when you had the option and it was more natural progression, which was a CA or let's say a CFA? That could have been a very natural progression for you.
Definitely.
तो ये IPM का कैसे पता चला? How did you move forward with it?
So I would say when I was deciding, CA was something which most of my friends were doing. Back in NM college, it's like बोलते हैं CA factory है, तो वहाँ से निकल के सीधा CA बनते हैं. But it was not appealing to me. That's what I can say, best of my knowledge. In this phase of life, I think you don't know what you want to do. You are confused.
True.
ठीक है. And बहुत difficulty होती है to take a decision which might not be reversible in nature. तो at this point of time, I kind of looked at things and I started putting crosses. तो मैं select नहीं करता था मुझे क्या करना है, but मुझे क्या नहीं करना है वो मुझे पता चल जाता था कि ये मुझे पसंद नहीं है. This is something I don't want to do. I'll not do it. And whatever remains out of that, I'll select first.
Okay.
So CA was out that way. Engineering तो of course I couldn't do because वो commerce route ले लिया था. Now coming to the other options, there is BAF, there is BMS कर सकते हो, BBA कर सकते हो या IPM कर सकते हो. So I thought that we'll go ahead with the BBA or IPM track, जहाँ पे there are a lot of competitive exams, and I'll give them all. Let's see where it takes us. So I had taken the decision कि I'll give all BBA exams, I'll give the IPMAT exam as well, both for Indore, Rohtak, and I'll see where it takes me. And I cleared all of them. So that is how I kind of got into the thing that, I want to go ahead with the management track and I want to just pursue it.
Okay. Tell me, how many entrance exams did you actually apply for?
I would say seven entrance exams, including Symbiosis, IIMs, NMIMS, all in all 7.
All in all 7, which is absolutely at right now it is still less because abhi to there are 25, right? The new ones which is launched. So in that 7, you managed to get the Oscar out of it, which
Yes.
is the IIM Indore.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me something. You started your prep, which was with IMS, which was I think 6 months before you even appeared for the IPMAT Indore. Okay. What was the point where you decided ki I want to give it a shot? Because again, it wasn't that visible name that time. Inhibitions now, I mean, even after the visibility which is there for any parent or a student to confirm and to commit, I think that's where the scary part comes in, where a student have to commit to a program for 3 years. Suddenly there is this thought, what if baad mein, later on in 1 year's time, I realized that it's not really the program for me. You were committing yourself to something for, which is like 3+2. What was the turning point where you thought, ki nahi, let me go ahead with this?
So I was introduced to the program by my friends who were also appearing for these competitive exams. So साथ साथ में जब प्रेप करते थे, like it's not about you can go lone wolf into anything, right? You need some friends who will have knowledge about what you are doing and will push you to that extent कि तुम clear कर लोगे. तो get those friends in place first. That's what I would say to anyone who is looking at this podcast also, कि अच्छे friends बनाओ who are also maybe trying these things out, and they will sort of tell you that you might be made for it. तो कभी कभी ऐसा होगा कि तुम्हें लगेगा कि नहीं यार वो बोल रहे हैं उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं कर लूँगा, बट समटाइम्स योर इनर वॉइस विल ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट this is something which you are made for, and that is what happened with me also, that when I was looking at all these things I did not know what to pursue next, but जैसे ही ये आया कि there is a chance to go to an IIM right after 12th, तो I was fully into it, and I think 4 या 5 महीने में prep किया मैंने total. Back in December or November of 2020 I got to know about the program. January में prep start किया and June में exam था. There is also one more interesting किस्सा about the exam itself.
बोलो.
I'll let you know about it. So that day, 15th June, as far as I remember, heavy rains in Mumbai. I gave the exam in Mumbai. Heavy rains in Mumbai. तो मतलब सारे रोड ब्लॉक थे, ट्रेन्स बंद थी, सब कुछ बंद था. हम लोग तैर के पहुंचे एग्जाम सेंटर पे देने के लिए, बट पहुंच गए.
You're talking about the IPMAT Indore
IPMAT Indore exam which I gave in 2021. तो मुंबई बेसिकली ब्लॉक हो चुका था उस दिन, एंड आई हैड टू रीच फ्रॉम कांदिवली टू पवाई क्योंकि टेस्ट सेंटर इज इन पवाई. सो दैट एंटायर जर्नी ऑफ 1.5 hours, मी एंड माई पेरेंट्स drenched in rain reached the exam center, और वो एग्ज़ाम दिया मैंने बिकॉज आई वॉज कमिटेड टू इट कि नहीं करना है. आई लाइक इट एंड आई हैव टू डू इट. आई विल गिव इट अ शॉट, पास फेल वॉट एवर इट इज़, वॉट एवर द आउटकम इज, आई डोंट केयर, बट देना है शॉट. तो दैट इज़ समथिंग विच योर इनर वॉइस कैन ओनली टेल यू. अगर अभी भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो नहीं है, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट किक कि ये नहीं है मेरे लिए बना, आई वुड से स्टिल गिव इट अ ट्राई. इफ़ यू हैव इट इन योर हैंड कि पास हो गए, देन यू डिसाइड, फिर एक बार देख लेना, सोच लेना. दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन टेल.
But something which what you said, Krish, suddenly, ऐसा my mind started churning. And this is something which I think a lot of students look out for. They don't get, the word is kick, or possibly वो जो dopamine high होता है ना कि I want to do this, and then you're stuck to it कि okay, I will give all in to make sure, because a lot of them are still confused, unsure, a little hesitant, not sure what to do. But I think with you, what I have seen, and with a lot of other students who have managed to crack something like an IPMAT Indore, is the consistency. छोड़ते ही नहीं हो.
नहीं छोड़ते हैं मैम, क्योंकि छोड़ दिया तो रह जाएगा.
True.
और पकड़ लिया तो मिल जाएगा. It's like that.
Perfect. But I think that's what really works. So you were committed to give the IPMAT Indore, and you eventually gave the test, and rest is history.
Yes.
Now tell me something. IPMAT Indore, I don't really want to kind of get into interviews and everything, because I'm sure students would reach to a point where they would know more. For that, I would kind of do something else. But when it comes to your journey, NM College in Mumbai, the prep, the kind of efforts what you put in, the kind of journey what you have is very different compared to an IIM. How was it to transition from an NM college to an IIM? Was the transition easier, and also away from home after almost, I think the first time you decided to kind of move away and stay in the hostel? So how exactly was the transition from a normal college to an IIM?
Thank you for the question, first of all, because that is something I really wanted to share. When you go right from, an NM college, Ryan International School, वहाँ से when you go to a place like IIM Indore, you face challenges. That is there. I would say I would bifurcate into 2 challenges. One is, of course, the cultural shock. You live in a hostel, you are doing everything on your own. Mess में खाना मिल जाता है, but you are doing laundry by yourself, you are arranging your things by yourself. थोड़ा messy भी हो जाता है, then you have to clean it up also. That is one cultural shock. Second cultural shock is you meet new people, and people from diverse backgrounds. So kind of adjusting to this thing takes time, and you have to be in it. There's nothing that you can do. You have to get your hands dirty. तो talking to people, understanding their perspective also is a challenge that you face the first day you reach campus. Now, second part of the challenge is academically. कि here at NM College, I was in cream crowd, topper, 95% आ रहा है, बहुत अच्छा है. वहाँ जाके मीडियोकर बन गया अचानक से. फर्स्ट टर्म का रिजल्ट आया, I am rank 51. Why am I mediocre here and I was cream there? Yes, because I am with peers who are good at things. And you don't take it as a challenge. You take it as a challenge actually. You don't take it as a setback कि भाई I am mediocre now. You take it as a challenge and opportunity है कि I can improve myself. How will I make myself become again that cream out of that mediocrity that I've reached? So that is one journey that I had during the IPM first 3 years. Rank 51 से term 9 में rank 1 पहुंचा हूँ मैं.
Ooh,
So
that's a journey.
That's a journey. And हर एक टर्म में कंसिस्टेंटली थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐड किया. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले टर्म में खराब हो गया तो दूसरे टर्म में एकदम स्पाइक कर दिया. ग्रेजुअली, क्योंकि सेटिंग योर सेल्फ इन such an environment is difficult and वो gradually होगा. You cannot expect yourself to be the best in the second term also. So put in time, put in effort और goal बनाओ उसको, तभी वो achieve होगा. And write down things. That's one thing I have learned कि if you write it down, it might be possible to achieve it. Probability of achieving it is greater.
Okay. So you said that NM College, you were the rank
Some rank holder,
Some rank
95% आया, अच्छा आया.
95%, मतलब अच्छा था. So the peer group, what you are surrounded in IIM Indore is intellectually very high. Okay, you would find people who are coming with definitely good IQs and good percentiles.
Definitely.
Perfect. Now, during this undergraduate journey, which you were doing with NM, which is the 11th and 12th, see a lot of students right now who would be looking at this, their understanding would be what you did differently. ठीक है, journey. I'm sure a lot of students are more keen on understanding what should we do so we land in a position where Krish is sitting right now, right? So in the 11th and 12th or 10th, when you came to know about it, how you started preparing in terms of your profile? Were you a part of the clubs, committees, internships? What did you do differently to ensure that you are prepared enough to get into an IIM?
Right. So I'll be very frank about it. I did not have a great profile back then. ठीक है? The profile.
Great profile ही मतलब क्या था? I'm very keen to know. What is the definition of not a great profile?
So back then there were only 4 things which I focused on to crack the exam. It was aptitude test first, like primary is aptitude test. Second one is interview, and third one which you already have is 10th and 12th का score. So based on just these things and your good communication skills in the interview, I thought that I was able to crack the exam with these things. Now, where I faced difficulty in applying was the part where they ask a questionnaire just before the interview.
Yeah.
So that's where they ask, what all achievements you have apart from your studies. Because studies में क्या है कि आपका entire effort and everything is encompassed into 1%. कि 95% आ गया, 98% आ गया, whatever. But अदर देन दैट व्हाट आर यू, वो असली क्वेश्चनेयर में पता चलता है कि वहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा. आई डोंट हैव एनी नेशनल लेवल अचीवमेंट्स, आई डोंट हैव एनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल अचीवमेंट्स, कुछ भी नहीं है, स्पोर्ट्स में भी नहीं है, कल्चरल में भी नहीं है. तो तभी मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा था कि समथिंग आई शुड डू ऑन दिस फ्रंट ऑल्सो. अभी तो एप्लीकेशन के टाइम कुछ है नहीं, बट इफ़ आई हैड नोन दिस थिंग 3-4 years बैक तो मैं ये कर लेता. तो आई वुड से आई गॉट इन विद दीज 4 things, बट इफ़ आई हैड वन मोर थिंग तो एडेड एडवांटेज मिल जाता है कि you have some achievement at national or state level, something like that.
So it would have been like you would have been a little bit more confident back then.
Yes.
So I think working from your profile, like doing activities, doing Olympiads, trying the talent you have or the skill you have on the national, international or district, zonal, whatever it is, yeah. It is something which is always worth it.
Definitely.
बाद में बुरा नहीं लगता है when you are putting it on the paper.
Also पेपर पे डालने के बाद भी जब इंटरव्यू को चमकेगा कि ये किया हुआ है इसने, तो देयर माइट बी फॉलो अप क्वेश्चंस ऑन दैट. दैट लेट्स से यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स टीम के मेंबर हो या डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्पोर्ट्स टीम के मेंबर हो, सो व्हाट ऑल स्किल्स यू हैव लर्नड देयर. टीम वर्क स्किल्स है, तुम्हें आता है, लीडरशिप स्किल्स है तुम्हारे में किसी सॉर्ट की, तो ऑल दैट गिव्स योर प्रोफाइल अ बूस्ट, जो मेरे पास नहीं था. आई क्रैक्ड इट क्योंकि मेरे पास बाकी सब सॉर्टेड था, बट ये होना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
It's important.
इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट.
Krish, we spoke about the profile, but something which we were talking, and I just want to kind of go back to what you said about the high achievers peer group. ठीक है? When you moved to IIM Indore, you were surrounded by such high achievers peer group. How exactly it is to actually work with them, around them? Is it something which is, how exactly it has impacted you?
So the rule which I learned back then, मैंने भी किसी पॉडकास्ट में ही सुना था कि you are average of the 5 people you hang out with, right? So it's very necessary to choose those 5 people good in your life.
Wisely.
Wisely, yes. And ये 5 लोग जो है यहाँ पे मिलना थोड़ा easy है because the pool itself is rich. तो वहीं से आप एक अच्छा ग्रुप अपना बना सकते हो. Now when you get into such a place, you will first feel the shock, जो 2 shock बताए मैंने. But after that, you realize that if you want to survive here, you will have to talk to people. You cannot just stay with yourself. You have to get out and get these people with you. So I would just say that maybe apply for clubs and committees. Certain PRs are there. There you get to work with such individuals who then shape your थॉट प्रोसेस, पर्सनैलिटी. आपको उनसे जो सीखना आप सीख सकते हो, आप उन्हें भी कुछ इंटर्न सिखाओगे. इट्स नॉट वन वे कि यू आर जस्ट लर्निंग फ्रॉम द हाई अचीवर. समथिंग इज देयर इन यू ऑल्सो, दैट इज वाई यू आर देयर, राइट? सो इट्स अ टू वे थिंग. यू मेक अ गुड team out of it, and that is how I went about it in the first 3 years at least.
Okay, just working with them and kind of the peer group kind of helps you. There is no pressure. Is there no pressure?
Pressure is there, but you learn to manage it. That's what I can say.
You learn to manage it.
And without pressure, I don't think you will be able to mold yourself also, right? For 5 years, if you are going somewhere, you are not just looking at placements and all that. You are looking to make yourself also that perfect person which you dreamt of before giving the exam also. And after 5 years, I'll be in that position where I can I have a command over certain things. I know how to deal with people. So, yes, maybe just getting into it is something I would say will help you.
Okay, makes sense. So tell me something. I mean, you eventually were in the IIM Indore. Something which really kind of intrigues me is the fact that first 3 years you are completely clueless. You're just kind of finding your ground, working on everything. Tell me something. How you came to terms with the fact in IIM Indore that I want to do marketing or HR or finance, because which are something your majors which you still will take in the second year or the third year. Right? How you came to terms on that? You took, what were your majors?
So I've done sales and marketing majors.
Okay. And how you came to conclusion ki I want to kind of confirm I will commit to sales and marketing as a major.
Right. So one word answer, exposure.
Okay.
So go ahead, try to get such work, such internships in different domains. How will you do that? Through LinkedIn approaches, through different people that you connect with in the first 3 years. So once you connect with these people and get certain hands-on experience in domains, you get to know what your forte is. And after you get onto it, then you can explore the depths of that particular domain. So I did couple of internships. I did it sales and marketing mein bhi kiya. I did it in consulting as well. And I kind of came to the conclusion that strategy gen man roles are something I like. And if it is in sales and marketing area, strategy in sales and marketing, then it's something which I love to do. So that is how I figured out my way.
So basically the students who feel that they are clueless, eventually they will find their mojo. Possibly at the end of the tunnel there is a light. Yes. Because it is nothing but the exposure what the student would come across.
Definitely.
Okay, so I think in that case my students or the parents who kind of get scared that you don't really know where exactly you really need to land, I think they can take a little backseat and they can just expect and just move with the flow. As you learn, you would realize.
Right. So first, you don't know where you want to go, right? That's the confusion that most of people will have when they enter such a campus and see everyone doing something. But eventually you realize that, you know, I have done 3-4 things. I have done this, I've done this, I've done this. I like the third one the best. So I'll go ahead with the third one. So like that, I think you will have to build up, and you'll have to have that exposure which I mentioned to different things, so that you can decide for yourself that what you want to do.
But was there any kind of a intervention from the faculty end as well? Do they really kind of support you
So support in terms of,
in terms of finding if you're still not too sure? See, a lot of people can be finicky, not really sure or not really able to understand. Do Indore faculty, the IPM faculty kind of intervene or kind of guide you? Do they do that?
so guidance is, help is always given at Hogwarts if asked for, right? That's what the quote is. So you need to go ahead and talk to the professors. In the first 2 years, there is no separate model for helping out, but you can definitely reach out to them, talk to them, what you want to do, what you don't want to do. And while they are teaching you with the coursework, you kind of relate with them that, you know, this person will help me out. In the third year, there is a model. It's called Course of Independent Study. So there you write a thesis with a professor. So let's say you want to do finance. You go ahead, talk to a fin faculty or an econ faculty, and have a course of independent study where you kind of make an hypothesis, write some paper about it, so that you understand that this field is something which appeals to me. So that particular model is something which every IPMer gets a chance to go ahead with. You just need a certain grade point. There is a criteria mentioned there. If you are above that grade point and the faculty agrees, you can write a paper with them. So that exposure and that experience, I think, is definitely something one can do before their MBA, and, you know, decide that this is the field for me.
Lovely. So it is doable. It is just that you really need to, be consistent and focus and just, work towards getting the grades, because I think that's what kind of lands you with a lot of opportunities.
That is there, yes. That one thing you have to keep. It's not like you have to be a very, very high achiever on that also. It's something that you have to be above average. That's what it asks. That's what the requirement is.